Hi guys, it's Dianne and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do a clean girl makeup look. So ayun naman, nasa title naman siya. And this has been going viral on TikTok and sa YouTube ever since the year started. And I just wanted to make my own version of it. So yun, by the way, every product that I'm gonna use, I will be linking it down below para di na kayo mahirapan maghanap. So yun, so let's start. So before we go into the makeup part, so first, quick background lang ng clean girl makeup look. So napansin ko dun sa mga girls sa TikTok is they're making sure na their skin looks prepped and hydrated. So that's one important factor ng clean girl makeup look. So ayun, actually nag-start na ako mag-skin prep kanina, but hindi ko pa na-apply is itong moisturizer na to. So this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Moisturizer. So ever since the pandemic started, I've been using this moisturizers. So yun. This moisturizer actually is very hydrating and it's a rich moisturizer that's good for sensitive skin or like if meron kang eczema or what. This is really a good moisturizer. So yun, actually I think I bought it sa Sephora, but I think meron na sa Shopee. So maghahanap na lang ako doon para malink ko doon sa baba. So now that we're done with the moisturizer, the next I'm gonna apply is this Biure UV sunscreen. So this is SPF 50 and ang gusto ko dito is hindi siya sticky and it doesn't leave a white cast at all, unlike the other sunscreens out there. And ayun, ang baba rin ng presyo niya. So ayun, matagal ko na itong ginagamit. Siguro nung ever since nung college pa ako. So diba, ang tagal-tagal na. And after that naman, ang i-apply ko is this lip sleeping mask. So ayun, para lang mamaya hydrated yung lips natin. So yun, now that we're done sa may skin part, let's go na sa makeup part. I really wanted a glowy base, that's why I'm gonna use this Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. And what I like about this is it's lightweight and actually it just makes your skin look better after applying. Okay, so dito ko lang siya ilalagay. Ayan. And pataas yung pag-apply ko dito para lifted yung skin natin. And I'm just gonna use this brush. Yan. So, in an upward motion ko siya gagawin. I can use this Charlotte Tilbury as a primer or under foundation. Pwede nyo rin siya i-mix with foundation or you can actually use it as a highlighter sa high points ng face nyo. Ayan nga, ginamit ko siya as a base para mukhang nag-glow yung skin ko. Kahit hindi. Okay, so the next product that I'm gonna be using is this Easy & Co. Concealer in the shade MO2. And ganito ko lang siya i-apply. So, pataas ulit. And i-apply ko lang siya sa ibang blemishes ng skin ko. So now, I'm blending it out using this beauty blender. So now that I'm done with the concealer, I'm just gonna be using this Kat Von D Shade Plus Light na contour palette. And I'm gonna be using the lightest shade. So I have this for, I think, matagal na. And hindi ko pa kasi siya ubos kasi super dami niya, guys. Ayun. So this is the highlighter part and this is the contour part. So ito lang yung apply ko, this shade. And paganda ko siya i-apply. So, pataas ulit. I'm just gonna be putting here. And dito. I'm also gonna be putting it sa may nose part ko para mukhang matangos. Ganun. So the next product that I'm gonna be using is this blush from Paulunating. So I bought this sa Shopee, I think siguro 2 weeks ago. And buti na lang bumili ako kasi ngayon out of stock na siya and medyo matagal kasi mag-restock. Pero yun, this liquid blush, it has a creamy consistency or a moussey consistency and it smells like a bubble gum. So meron siyang scent, so ayun lang. And I'm gonna be using this here. I'm gonna put a dot here. Tapos, dito. Yun. So, I know parang mukha kong clown, pero mamaya it will make sense. So, I'm just gonna be using this brush para ma-blend out yung product. So, pataas ko siya ulit i-apply. So, guys, super pigmented niya. Nakita niyo ba? Super pigmented niya. So, pag gusto niya talagang ng nakaka-fresh and pigmented na blush, you should try out this one. Kasi ang mura niya lang rin. So, it's really worth the price. So, maglalagay rin ako sa nose, but not so much. And, ayun. Grabe guys, super pigmented niya. Nakikita niyo ba? Super pink ko. Ginagamit to actually ng mga brides. And I saw this product sa maraming makeup artist. That's why I really wanted to try it since it really has a low price point. And right now, I'm just gonna diffuse the product using this beauty blender para hindi ako super pink. Diba guys? Ang ganda niya. Actually, yung kay Selena Gomez rin na Rare Beauty, ang ganda rin ng blush na yun. Pero, since it's really pricey, you can try out this one. Yan. Ganda. Pack. So, after using that, I'm just gonna put on a highlighter using this setting brush from Real Techniques. So, I'm gonna be using this shade. And I'm gonna apply it here. Pack. O, diba? So, after applying dito sa may cheekbones ko, sa high part ng cheekbone ko, mag-a-apply rin ako dito sa may under ng brows ko, dito sa brow bone ko. And I'm gonna be applying it here and here. So, hindi ko siya buong ginaganon kasi I find it unflattering sa akin. So, I just use it in this part and in this part. So, yun. So, ngayon, i-blend na natin siya. And maglagay tayo dito sa Cupid's bow natin. And dito sa may chin part. So, now that we're done with the highlighter, I'm gonna be using this Brow Biz soap. I think na-discover ko to sa isang YouTuber. So, it comes with this applicator. And dalawang brush yung binigay nila. So, ayun, gagawin ko lang to. And I'm gonna be doing this para ma-set niya yung brows ko in place. This is the final outcome ng Brow Biz soap. Okay? And after doing that, I'm just gonna use this Strokes Beauty na brow painter in ash brown. And I'm just gonna be making like a feathery brows. Gusto ko lang ng natural na looking brows. So, yun. So, after using this Strokes Beauty na product, I'm gonna blending it out para hindi siya super kapal. So, yun, I think I'm done with the brows. And now, I'm just gonna be curling my lashes. So, I won't be applying eyeliner na kasi hindi ako masyado marunong mag-eyeliner. So, ayun, mag-eye curl na lang ako and then ng mascara. Then, I think maglalagay lang ako ng konting eyeshadow dito mamaya. So, I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. So, this is a dupe for the Better Than Sex Mascara ng Too Faced. Pero yun, this product is good for lengthening your eyelashes. Pero what I don't like about this product is minsan ang clumpy niya, alam mo yun? And minsan kumakalat siya. Minsan lang naman. Not always. So and after doing that, I'm gonna use this Colourpop palette in Going Coconut. So mag-apply lang ako ng konting eyeshadow sa part na to. Ayan. So, meron siya pero subtle lang. And then, I'm gonna be applying highlighter dito sa may inner corner. Para as in mukha talaga tayo nag-glow. So, ayun, applyan ko na ng highlighter inner corner ng eyes ko. Yun. Just gonna be using this Easy & Co na setting powder para lang ma-set in place yung makeup ko. Especially dito sa may blush part. So, yun. And right now, I'm gonna be applying the setting powder to sa may under eye ko. Sa may nose part. Mag-apply ako ng setting powder sa may nose part, sa may cupid bow. And dito lang sa may forehead ko. So, malapit na tayo matapos. And I'm gonna just be using this lipstick from Sunny's Face. So, in the shade On Repeat. And it's a nude kind of lippy. And ayoko, actually pwede kang mag-pink na lipstick for this kind of look. Pero yun, I just chose to neutral kind of lipstick. So yun, ganda. Ayun, I didn't apply lip liner na. I'm just gonna be smudging it off ng konti. Yan, para meron tayong blur effect. And the last thing that I'm gonna apply sa lips ko is this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So, dun lang sa may center ng lips ko. Hindi masyado marami. Lastly, ang i-apply ko is this MAC Setting Spray. And I'm just gonna dry it off. So, this is now the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.